Hello guys, today I prepare a simple manipuri veg thali. So let's start. So let's prepare split black gram lentil, which is called sagolhawai, and I will make sagolhawai ooti. So I have taken 3 cups of split black gram lentil and soaked for 1 hour. So for seasoning I have taken bay leaf, ginger, Thai coriander, haribo, dry chili and maroi nakopi, which is a local herb, half tablespoon bicarb soda, salt and oil. So put the dal in a pressure cooker. Add 3 cups of water. Add haribo for flavor and ginger, half tablespoon bicarb soda and salt, and stir it and give it 2 whistles. Now dal is boiling and let's check it. It's cooked or not. It's almost cooked. Now it's time to seasoning. In the oil add bay leaf, maroi nakopi, dry chili, stir it and till golden brown. Now add the boiled dal in the mixture. Give a nice stir. So after 2 minutes add the Thai coriander to give a flavor. Now our dal is done. So our sagolhawai ooti is ready. Now let's make the next recipe, which is local herb pakori or bora. So it's very crispy. So we need local herbs, chopped cabbage, 1.5 cup of besan, spices and salt. Add this mixture very nicely. Then add a little water to make a nice paste. Now let's deep fry the paste. So our pakori is almost ready. I have also prepared a salad which is called sinju in Manipuri. I will share sinju recipe in my another video. So our simple Manipuri veg thali is ready to serve. And if you like my channel, then please subscribe and keep supporting me. Bye bye.